Okay, this is question 4 of Paper 1, 2022, Fisher High School, and here we go. They tell us we've got a hyperbola here, and it's kind of a tricky question to start with in a way because it makes you think a bit. They give us the two axes of symmetries. Those are the two lines that cut through the hyperbola, and they connect in the same place that the asymptotes connect. The two axes of symmetries of a hyperbola, they cut it into that are symmetric, they cut in the same place that the asymptotes go through. So if we find out where these two cross, we'll be finding out the x and y place of where the asymptotes cross. In fact, we'll end up with the equations of the horizontal and vertical asymptotes. So that's all we do. Let x plus 1 equal minus x minus 4. So we add x, we subtract 2, we get x equals minus 4. That's the horizontal asymptote. Then all you have to do is take x is minus 4, put it back into one of the original equations. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Y equals minus 3 is the vertical asymptote. And there we go. We got it. Now we know that x is minus 4. So it's the opposite. That's the place it can't go. So minus 4 is the vertical asymptote where the parabola can't go. And y equals minus 3 is the horizontal asymptote where it can't go. And I guess I got those two words mixed up here in the deal. Y equals minus 3 is definitely the horizontal. That's a flat line. And this is a vertical one. So I'm just going to, I can just maybe, fix this up a little bit with an arrow. It won't be a great arrow. I'm going to make a little arrow here. So the vertical asymptote is right there. That's y equals minus 4. And the horizontal asymptote is right here. It's y equals minus 3. Okay. Then they ask you to find the intercepts. Well, I think the y-intercept, you let x equal 0. And then you can add 3 if you like. Then multiply everything by 3 by x plus 4. You get 3x plus 12. The x plus 4 cancels here. You subtract 12 from both sides. You get minus 14. Divide by 3. You get x equals minus 14 over 3. That's the x-intercept. And, sorry, where y equals 0, no, that's right. It's the x-intercept. The y-intercept, we would let x equal 0. In fact, that's why you do. If you let x equal 0, you get minus 3 minus a half. That's minus 7 halves. So there you go. That's the y-intercept, making x equal 0. The x-intercept is minus 14 over 3. The asymptotes are x equals always minus 4. Y equals minus 3. There's 0 and 0 where the y-axis and x-axis cross. So there you have your x-intercept. You have your y-intercept. You know it's negative, so the branches must go this way. It's negative, so it's in the bottom right. The asymptotes form the hyperbola. I cheated and got a computer to do this. You would just have to have those asymptotes, have the intercepts all done in the basic shape, and I labeled it as f here because the function is f, and there's the sketch of it. And there it is done. And I think that's question 4. We'll start with question 5 in the next video.